Hello my queens, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create this gorgeous cut crease with glitter, and let me tell you, it was so much fun to do. And if you're wondering why, then maybe it's because purple is my favorite color. So if you're ready to glam out with me, then keep on watching. First, I'm taking these South Main eye gels and placing them under my eyes to keep that area nice and smooth. Next, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Light Ivory and a BH Cosmetics brush in number 120. Then I'm applying that to my lids and buffing that out with my brush. To set that, I'm taking the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Loose Powder and a BH Cosmetics brush in number 103 and patting that on my lid. Next, I'm taking the amazing Take Me to Brazil palette and a domed brush in number 7 by BH Cosmetics. And then I'm picking up this light pink shade and applying that all over my upper and lower crease as a transition color. Now I'm using brush number 101 and picking up this dark purple shade and applying that to my outer crease, and we'll drag that out. Then I'm doing the same thing to the other eye. Next, I'm taking the domed brush I used in the beginning and we'll pick up the same dark purple shade and we'll just keep building that color until I get my desired look. Deepen this look a bit more, I'm using this bluish color and applying that to my outer crease. And to carve out my crease, I'm using a makeup removing wipe. Then I'm going back with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and we'll use that as a base. And then I'm buffing that out with brush number 120. To set my lid, I'm using this white shade. Now, I will be redefining my crease with brush number 105 and the purple shade, and also filling in any areas that are missing some eyeshadow. Okay you guys, now the moment you were waiting for. I'm going in with Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter and brush number 103 and applying this purple shade on my lids. And then going back in with brush number 105 and defining the edges and just filling in more spots. It's been about 30 minutes since I applied the eye gels and it's about time to take them off. Next, I'm going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer and we'll apply that all over the face. After primer, I'm going in with foundation and I'm using the Rimmel Lasting Finish. But first, I'm applying the foundation directly to my skin and then blending that out with my sponge. Now I'm going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 26, and will apply that to my under eye, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and a bit on my chin. Then, like always, I'm going back in with my Real Technique sponge and blending everything out. Now to set everything in place, I'm using brush number 113 and my Hard Candy Loose Powder. Now I'm going in with brush number 115 and NYX bronzer in Deep Tan, and will apply that to the hollows of my cheek, forehead, and on my jawline. Oh no, some of my bronzer broke. Now I'm going in with brush number 121 and applying the bronzer to the sides of my nose. I wasn't so satisfied with the color of the eyeshadow, so I just went in with a dome brush again and applied more of the purple. Now that everything is nice and blended, I'm going in with glitter. I believe the brand of this is called Hendayan, and I am applying this on the line of the crease. Isn't this look so pretty? To dramatize it even more, you could even add a wing liner, but I decided to go a little simple. So I'm taking a pair of Leo lashes in Leilani and this Kiss eyelash glue in clear. I'm sure all you queens already know how to apply false eyelashes, but if you don't, all I did was apply some glue to the strip of the lash and then stuck them on with a pair of tweezers. Oh snap, at this moment I realized that I forgot to apply mascara, so I'm going in with my volumizing mascara by Maybelline and applying some to my lashes. After mascara, then you can stick them lashes on. To finish the eyes, I'm going in with my Maybelline Lineworks liquid eyeliner in black, and I'm only creating a thin line. You guys, I had to keep the sound in the background to this one because somebody comes and interrupts my video. Just stay watching. Okay, I'm back to the tutorial. Now I'm using the Maybelline Volume Express Mascara, the Falsies, and applying that only to my lower lashes. Ugh, my lips look disgusting, but there's nothing that the Sugar and Lemon Lip Buffer by Seraphine Botanicals can't fix. So I'm just taking a pea-sized amount and applying that to my lips and just scrubbing that. Then, with a wet paper towel, I'm wiping it off. You guys, this look is just about done. Now I'm only going in with ColourPop's Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss in Charming and just applying it to my lips. Girl, are you gonna tell me you don't see this bling? This look would probably even look better with a nude lip, but I didn't have a nude lipstick, so I'm using this lip gloss. Thanks to everyone for watching, and I hope you guys liked this look as much as I did. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.